Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how amazing ideas from the Islamic Golden Age are connected to modern innovations in the UAE, especially in medicine and astronomy. The Islamic Golden Age was a time from about 1,200 years ago when people loved learning. They discovered new ideas and made important inventions in science, medicine, and space. During this time, people made many great achievements. Doctors helped improve healthcare, mathematicians created new ideas, astronomers studied the stars, and engineers built useful machines. This time was important because people saved knowledge, shared ideas, and inspired future discoveries. Their work helped shape the world we live in today. In the Islamic Golden Age, doctors studied the human body and learned how to treat illnesses. They built hospitals and created new medicines to help people live healthier lives. Astronomers studied the stars, planets, and the moon. They built observatories and made star maps to understand space better. Today, the UAE has modern hospitals and advanced technology. Doctors use machines and new tools to treat patients and keep people healthy. The UAE is exploring space. It sent the Hope probe to Mars and uses satellites to learn more about the universe. The ideas from the past are still helping us today. Medicine and astronomy have improved, but they started long ago. The UAE is continuing this journey. The past inspires us to think about the future. Maybe one day, we can become doctors, scientists, or astronauts and make new discoveries. I learned that people in the past did amazing things without modern technology. This inspires me to keep learning and try to make a difference in the future. In conclusion, the Islamic Golden Age started many important ideas, and today the UAE continues this work. We can learn from the past and help build a better future.